At StudyMind, we believe that high-quality work experience is an important stepping stone into your chosen career path. When applying to study psychology, undertaking work experience shows admissions tutors that you're committed to the subject and is a chance for you to showcase your skills. In short, it sets you apart from the competition. StudyMind's Psychology Work Experience programme is aimed at 15 to 24-year-olds and takes place in London. It is run by psychology experts and provides you with hands-on interactive sessions. Throughout the programme, you will gain an understanding of various psychological fields such as educational, forensic, clinical and sports. Learn about different therapies and their principles and work with mentors to apply them in a simulated environment. And undertake psychological assessments and analyse patient notes to devise a treatment plan. Our psychology work experience is designed to make you stand out from the competition. We also provide support with university applications and interview techniques. At the end of the programme, you'll also receive a certificate of completion to use in your UCAS application. Travelling from afar, 40% of our students travel from all over the world, including China, Hong Kong, UAE and India. That's why we also offer accommodation and food. You will stay in a central location with round-the-clock security, and our team of DBS checked leaders will be on hand to support you 24/7. So why not contact us today to find out more about our Psychology Work Experience programme.